Hello friends, today we will learn the recipe of kadhai paneer. This is the most loved recipe by the paneer lovers. So let's begin. For making kadhai paneer, first we'll prepare the kadhai masala. For this, heat a pan and add around 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds. Into this, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 dry red chilies, 1 inch cinnamon stick and 5 to 6 cloves. Now dry roast the spices for 2 minutes till they change their color and turns aromatic. Now after 2 minutes they are done, so take them out and let this cool down. Now heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add 1 chopped onion and 1 chopped capsicum to this. Saute the vegetables for 2 minutes. We have to keep the vegetables crunchy, so don't fry it for a longer time. Now after 2 minutes they are done, so take them out and keep it aside. Now again heat the same pan and add around 2 tablespoons of ghee to this. Let the ghee melt. Once the ghee is hot, add the paneer cubes to this. I have taken around 250 grams of paneer. We have to fry the paneers from all the sides till they are golden in color. So just flip the paneer and fry this. And now our paneer pieces are done, so we will take them out and keep it aside. And now again heat the same pan, add little oil. Into this we will add 1 chopped onion, 2 green chilies, 1 inch ginger, 6 to 7 cloves, 6 to 7 cashews and 2 chopped tomatoes. So add all the vegetables to the oil. We don't have to chop the vegetables very finely, just chop it roughly and fry this till the tomatoes are mushy and the vegetables are little soft. After 5 minutes you can see the tomatoes are mushy and the vegetables has been cooked. So now we will take them out and keep it aside and let the vegetables cool down. And our roasted masala has been cooled down. Now we will make a fine powder of this. So you can see we have ground this to a fine powder. And after this we have to make the paste of the vegetables that we had fried. So add all the vegetables to the mixing jar and make a paste of this, and do not add water. So you can see the paste is ready. So again heat the pan and add little oil. Once the oil is hot, add the ground paste to this. Keep the flame on low and mix it well. After 2 minutes you can see the masala is getting fried. At this stage we will add our kadai masala. So add 2 tablespoons of kadai masala to the paste, and with this add the dry spices, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Now mix everything together. Now we have to fry the masalas till the oil gets separated from this. So on low flame, keep frying the masalas for 10 to 12 minutes. And if you feel your masala is sticking to the pan, add little water. So I'm adding a little dash of water to this. And on low flame, keep frying the masalas. And here you can see little oil is getting separated. That means our masala is cooking perfectly. So fry this for 5 more minutes. Now you can see our masala has been cooked perfectly. We have fried this for 10 to 15 minutes. And into this goes in the fried onion and capsicum. Mix everything together. Also add the fried paneer cubes. Mix the paneer with the masala. Mix it gently, otherwise the paneer pieces will break down. Now you can see our masala is dry, so we will add little water just to make a thick gravy. So add water gradually. At this stage, when everything is mixed, we will add around 2 teaspoons of sugar. It's completely optional, but it gives a balance to the taste of masala, so and also increases the taste. And you can adjust the consistency of the gravy according to your choice. Now everything has been mixed. Now we will cover this and cook it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will check on the sabji. Wow, you can see it's looking very nice. So give this a quick mix. And at this stage, add 2 tablespoons of cream, fresh cream or the homemade malai. And with this, add in 1 tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves or kasuri methi. Just crush it and add it to the kadai masala. This increases the taste of the sabji. And a quick mix and our kadai paneer is ready. You can enjoy the kadai paneer with roti, chapati, naan. Now you can see the sabji is looking delicious. So do try this recipe at home and do like, comment and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.